Plug in the power supply and connect the printer and computer with the USB cable. Open the printer cover. Load the paper with the printed side facing up. Switch on the printer. Automatic paper rewind, no paper waste. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Release when you hear a beep to calibrate the paper. Press and hold for 6 seconds. Release after hearing two beeps to print a test page. Insert USB flash drive. Open the USB flash drive and select the driver corresponding to your computer system. Double-click to open the driver. Click Continue and Install. Enter your computer password and click Install Software. Installation complete. Please reboot your system to apply the printer settings. Click Yes to continue. Open the file you want to print and click the Print button. Select the printer ORGSTA T001. The default paper size is for 6. You can edit the desired paper size here. Complete printing.